Welcome to a chem reactor. Today I'm going to talk about peroxide formation in a THF. So first we'll see the applications of THF. THF is a saturated heterocyclic compound. It's basically a cyclic ether. It is a colorless liquid with low viscosity and good solubility in a wide range of solvents as well as the chemicals. So because of its solubility and solubility in a wide range of solvents and chemicals, this is widely used as a solvent in a various industrial as well as laboratory applications. So here are some of the notable reactions where a THF is a preferred solvents. So here either the preparation of the Grignard reagent or the reactions of a Grignard reagent with other reactants. THF or diethyl ethers are the preferred solvents. Then organometallic reactions, Ramonovsky reactions, or the synthesis of organolithium compounds like butyllithiums or aryl lithiums. So from alkyl halides or aryl halides, THF was the preferred solvents. Then the hydride reductions like the reduction of aldehydes or ketones to alcohols along with lithium aluminum hydride as a reducing agent. So THF is a preferred also a preferred solvent. Then the metal catalyzed reactions like Higgs, Stille and Suzuki, and then the Levy's acid mediated reactions. So how this peroxide formation occur in a THF? THF is stable under a normal condition, but when it comes in contact with oxygen and light, it forms this highly sensitive or high explosive hydroperoxide. So here is the mechanism of this hydroperoxide formation. So the oxygen molecule from environmental oxygen in the presence of sunlight forms this oxygen radical. That oxygen radical abstracts hydrogen radical from a THF and forms THF radical. So this THF radical again reacts with another oxygen radical and forms this peroxy radical. So this peroxy radical again abstracts hydrogen radical from another THF molecule and forms this explosive hydroperoxide, and along with that it forms another THF radical. So here basically this is a chain reaction. So once started here, initiated by one oxygen radical, then it forms this THF and these gates continue, and then over the time it forms a lot of hydrogen peroxide in the bottle. So then there will be a question in your mind, how can this chain reaction can be stopped? Yes, this chain reaction can be stopped by using a quenching agent. So basically this THF is stabilized by butylated hydroxytoluenes. So a lot of vendors, they sell a THF with BHT added in that or without the BHT. So basically this BHT removes the free radicals required for the peroxide formations. So here first, as we have seen the peroxy radical formation, so the THF in presence of oxygen and sunlight forms this peroxy radical, and this peroxy radical abstracts this the hydrogen radical from this BHT and forms this this intermediate BHT radical as well as this one hydroperoxide. So this BHT radical rearranges to this intermediate 6, and then again this BHT intermediate 6 quenches another peroxy radical and forms the BHT peroxy radical adduct here. So from the mechanism you can see that in total the one BHT molecule quench 2 peroxy radicals. So here one radical and then second here. So that's how the THF is stabilized by using this BHT butylated hydroxytoluenes. So then the safety measures. What are the safety measures we should take while using the THF or the possible there is any hydroperoxide form THF? First is the storage. So you have seen that the vendors, they sell THF in a dark or opaque containers or in the metal cans. So always keep the THF solvent in original containers like the dark amber color bottle or opaque or the metal cans, and always keep caps tightly fitting caps on the bottle. Then the label. So always label the date received and date opened, and then the next is dispose. So if you see anything solid or the viscous liquid in the solvent bottle, then dispose the solvent with a proper SOP, and then monitor the content volume. Always monitor is there any evaporation or the loss of solvent in the in the THF bottle, and then test before the use. So always be careful, do not use old bottles or containers of peroxide formers or the peroxide forming compounds like THF. So the first primary test can be like to check is there any crystalline solid at the bottom of this bottle or any viscous liquid in the THF. And then next it can be like a peroxide test strips. So peroxide test strips are really helpful or useful to check is there really a peroxide form or not. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe so that can motivate me to make some more videos like this, and thank you for watching.